It's fossil time. Here's the geologic timescale. This shows you basically the past. All sorts of interesting remains. Now, a fossil doesn't have to just be a bone or a full specimen. It could be just part of something, or it could be an impression. So it's any kind of clue to the past. And sadly, a lot of things never got buried or preserved properly. So we don't really know a whole lot about the past, but we're still finding more and more clues all the time. So it kind of shows you as you go backwards, you're getting deeper and deeper and older and older. I'm going to show you a way that scientists estimate how old a fossil is, and I like to use pom-poms for this. So imagine this is a bunch of radioactive carbon. It makes a mess. Carbon has a half-life of about 5,700 years. That's a long time. That means that half of it would break down from its radioactive form of carbon-14 down to carbon-12. So if I wanted to know how old a fossil was, I might test the rock or something that it was in and find out how much stable carbon is there and how much radioactive carbon is left. And if I can do the math backwards, knowing the half-life, I can find out when that fossil was formed or how old the rock was at that time. So imagine this is all of your radioactive carbon, and this is right when the fossil got buried. A half-life later, 5,700 years later, this is how much radioactive carbon we have left. Another 5,700 years goes by, and this is how much we have left. Another 5,700 years goes by, and that's how much radioactive carbon we have left. Another 5,700 years goes by, and another 5,700 years. So we're at like, what, 5 or 6 half-lives now? So you can see there might be hardly any radioactive carbon left by the time we get to this. So that's, I would take this amount and then work backwards to figure out how old that fossil was. South Dakota is a really cool place for fossils because we have the mammoth site, largest collection of mammoths in the world, and the largest T-Rex, Sioux, was found in South Dakota as well. And we've had some other aquatic fossils found. So I have a box of some different fossils found in South Dakota, so you guys could check those out. And let's see, and I also have a couple other boxes of specimens. Got some nice fossils going on right here, and they are numbered, and it even tells you what scientists or paleontologists think it might be, as well as where it was found. So we've got a couple options there. So you're going to be studying some of these and pretending to be a paleontologist and guessing what is the story of these fossils.